Going on, everyone? Sam here with Layton Sports Cards. We're in 24 Panini Certified Football Hobby, 4-box break number 18. Pick your team style. Names teams: Alex P. Colts Saints, Ben L. Packers, Brian E. Raiders, Chris C. Lions, Christopher P. Titans, Corey L. Bills, Craig J. Broncos, Darius R. Niners, Eric L. Panthers, Jared C. Chargers Jags, Jason H. Falcons, Jason W. Browns, Jerry B. Jets, Jerry W. Cowboys, John W. Bucks and Ravens, Johnny W. Dolphins and Rams, Keith S. Steelers, Matthew S. A. Eagles, Matthew S.L. Chiefs, Mike M. Bears, Nicholas S. Bengals, Robert W. Vikings, Ryan O. Seahawks, Sean R. Patriots, Sean T. Giants, Commanders, Texans, and TJ W. with the Cardinals. So good luck, everybody. Let's do it. All right, here we go. Next, Switified. Zay Flowers to 150 and Alex Singleton to 99. That is a Michael Wilson on the piece of the game, 249 for the Cardinals, and Malachi Corley for the Jets. One sec, everybody. All right. That is Ben Sinnott, 275 for the Commanders, and Dak Prescott. Lamar Jackson, Braylon Allen, rookie jersey to 199, and a Tua Tagovailoa. Got John P. grabbing an MLS spot, and Wong S. grabbing the last two MLS spots. MLS off the board. 6 and 3 left on the day. 6 10-box spots. 3 spots left in, 3 teams left in Bowman U. That's it. It's Co, man. Jesse Bates to 275 and a Brock Bowers rookie. Lad McConkey to 400 and a Justin Jefferson. Devontae Adams and base. There's Blake Corum, rookie jersey auto 299 for the Rams, and Khalil Mack. Got Chuck Foreman, nice one there to 99 for the Vikings. Congrats, Minnesota, Michael Penix rookie. And Jerrion Jones. All right. Box 2. Again, 6 and 10 box. Jonathan Brooks to 400, rookie. Isaac Bruce, and then 3 to go in Bowman U. Delight. That is it. Simon Rott 349 for the Leones. Drake May, rookie. That is a Lamar. Nice one there on the Certified Ballers to 125 for the Ravens, and a Nico Collins. Isaac Garendo to 225 for the Niners, and Blake Corum. Quinyon Mitchell to 150 for the Eagles, and Lamar Jackson. So, and Jonathan Allen, and base. That is Luke McCaffrey to 299, rookie jersey auto for the Commanders. And Will Levis to 299, certified stars. Certified star, Will Levis. Jack Lambert, that's awesome. To 10. Nice one there. 7 of 10 for the Steelers. That is sick. And Bo Nix, rookie.
There was one that was Campus Legends. He's so trash. I don't even know
75
his freaking name.
Bullard.
The FSU quarterback.
Oh, Uangalele?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a Campus Legends.
Yeah.
And Kyle's like, ah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Jalen Polk on the rookie jersey to 249. And Myles Garrett on release day. Every time we hit one, he was over there. You might have. I forget if you were top loading or somebody else. I would just yell out campus icons, DJ Uangalele, and you hear me, back off.
I couldn't have been here.
Yeah, it might have been we were on vacation.
Probably was, I think. I think it was.
Troy Franklin to 4 hundo. Keon Coleman for the Bills. Oh, he's so trash. I don't even know his name.
Yeah,
Myles
bro.
Garrett, yeah. 349 and a Saquon. There's Troy Franklin, rookie jersey to 349 for the Broncos and Puka. Nakua. Pink of Marshawn Nealon to 225. Amari Cooper.
Yeah. Yeah, bro. Thanks for your cooperation.
To be fair, I told him to do that.
Thanks for your cooperation.
I told him to do that.
Thanks for your cooperation.
Jaheim Bell to 150 and to 299 is Too Tall Jones. He goes, I texted him like, please come in and say something again. And he goes, I don't want to piss him off, but I will. And I'm like, it's all good. I'll tell him that I told you to. There's Mahomes.
Oh man, no way.
Reaching out again.
Just reaching out. Yeah, dude. Seriously.
CJ Stroud. There's an Audric Estime to 349 for the Broncos.
Don't listen to him, Garrett.
And base.
Or Darius. Don't worry about it.
I know, 7 to go on 10 bucks. No, is it 6 to go? 6 to go on 10 bucks, actually. Ben Sinnott, rookie auto for the Commanders to 149. Charles Woodson.
Jake's just being dumb.
Yeah. To 100, Jer'Zhan Newton, and to 199, Khalil Mack.
It's okay. I got it.
DeAndre Hopkins on the piece of the game to 50 for the Titans, and Drake May. He's been removed, swiftly removed. That was absurd. Dwayne Carter to 225. Lil Wayne right there. Let's go. And base. All right. Keep it going. I can't even do anything. I don't have my wrench anymore. Ayuk to 299 is Bijan. Latu. Rookie jersey auto 349 for the Colts. And a Roma Dunze. Mario Manningham to 99 on the mirror signatures. Holy cow, that is sick. Congrats, Giants. J-Love and base. Long wide. Spot in 10 box. 5 to go. Thank you, Long. 5 and 3 now. Xavier Leggett to at 350. And Bijan, certified stars. Larry Noah.
Larry Noah.
No, you won't see me. You'll see him, not me. To 349 is Dre Greenlaw and Cooper Kupp. Yeah, I got fired. Today's my last shift. Nick Bosa on the jersey to 249 for the Niners. And a Cam Chancellor base. Xavier Worthy to 100. Nice color match for the Chiefs. And a gold team to 199, Devontae Adams. For the Bears, that is Keenan Allen, Roma Dunze, 24/25. 3-color. This one there for the Bears, Stitches in Time. And Bo Nix rookie. And last one here. Is Cameron Kinchins to 275. And Najee Harris. Get this guy out of here, man.
Come on.
God. Really?
Come on.
Really, dude? All right, quick recap. Do MLS next, and then
Hello?
whatever fills after. Jerseys, we've got Troy Franklin, Jalen Polk, Nick Bosa, Michael Wilson, Braylon Allen, Lamar, DeAndre Hopkins, duel for the Bears. Autos, Ben Sinnott, Mario Manningham, Chuck Foreman, Jack Lambert, Latu Latu, Audric Estime, Luke McCaffrey, and Blake Corum. Do it for the break, everybody. Thanks again for the fill. MLS up now.